Bonsoir, famille. Good afternoon, family. Moi, Rele Bertrude. My name is Bertrude, and I'm here to help you apprendre Creole Haitien, learn Haitian Creole. Today, we are going to be talking about antonyms. And antonyms are basically two words that are opposite of each other. Beautiful, ugly, hot, cold, young, old. We're going to be using antonyms in a sentence. And I hope you all get the gist of this so far, that even though I give you all formulas, this isn't the only way that you can speak Haitian Creole. It just basically gives you the basic building blocks to parler Creole, to speak Haitian Creole. So today, we're going to go ahead and begin the sentence with our personal pronouns. By now, if you've seen any of my videos, I'm pretty sure that you are very knowledgeable about the personal pronouns. You start off with I. Moi is I. Ou is you. Ou. Li is he, she, or it. Nous is the plural of I, and it's we. Nous, the plural of you, which is you all. Yo, the plural of li, or he, she, and it. And you is they. So I will point out that one thing I do see a lot, people say the they say mwen. It's not mwen. You don't pronounce the en. It's mwen. Say it with me. Mwen. Mwen. I. So you start off, number one, with your personal with the personal pronoun. I will, for right now, say li. Let's talk about a woman. Let's say li, because it's he, she, or it. Li pa led. Pa negates the sentence. Led means ugly. So she is not ugly. She's not ugly, comma. Li belle. She is beautiful. Belle, beautiful. Li pa led. Li belle. Start off, personal pronouns. Li, and then pa led is not ugly. Go back to the li, belle. Let me give you some more antonyms that we can be playing around with. Belle, beautiful. Laid, ugly. Pauvre, poor. Riche, rich. Gros, big. Petit, small. Mauvais would be like a mean or a bad. Gentil, gentil is a kind. Fret, fret, cold. Chaud, chaud means hot. Dehors, dehors is outside. En dedans, inside. Jeune is young. Vieux is old. And so let's go ahead and make some sentences. If I want to say, I am not mean. I am nice. I'm kind. I'm not mean. How do I say that? I am not mean. I'm kind. Let's start with the personal pronoun. I. Moi. Not mean. Pas mauvais. Moi. Gentil. Exactly. If I want to say, if I'm talking about a cup and I've got coffee in a cup, and I want to say, no, it's not cold, it's hot. How do I say, it's not cold, it's hot? It would be li. Pas fouette. Li chaud. Exactly. And you could do this with anything. If I want to say, We are not poor. We are rich. How would I say that? Nous pas pauvres. Nous riches. And you know, I have a lot of Haitian friends in Haiti who will talk about the beauty of the country and how wonderful and rich the country is. And they say that a lot. Nous pas pauvres. Nous riches. We are not poor. We are rich. All right? I encourage you to go ahead, go online, even if I didn't give you some antonyms. Look up antonyms on Google, and you can create your own sentence just by saying the personal pronoun. Make sure you put the pa. Pa, you put the one of the antonyms, and then you say li, or the other personal pronoun, and you put the other antonym. Please don't forget to put the pa, because if you just say li laid, li belle, it's gonna sound a little crazy, because it's not li laid, li belle. Li laid, li belle means he, she, or it is ugly, he, she, or it is beautiful. Doesn't really make sense. So go ahead and do some research, find some antonyms, and play around with the language. It is very user-friendly and very beautiful. All right, as we are closing up, I want to focus in just a little bit more with how to use se. Now, when we're talking about to be, we already know you can use to be without anything. You could say ou belle, you beautiful, which means you're beautiful. Or if you are using more of a permanent thing like a noun, you would not say ou c'est belle. However, if you did want to use c'est and belle together, you can say ou c'est yon belle moon. Let me explain this further. When you say ou belle, that's more of a non-permanent. Somebody could be beautiful one day and then they take their makeup off and they're ugly the next day. So that's less permanent, right? Ou belle is less permanent. But if you want to say something with more of a permanence, you will focus on the person right here. Ou c'est yon belle moon. You are a beautiful person. And so you could use c'est because moon is there. Person is there. And remember, you use c'est when it's a noun. This is our noun right here. No noun over here. You would say he's rich, li riche. You wouldn't say li c'est riche. If you want to say li riche and you say, you would say li c'est yon riche docteur. Do you see that? He is a rich doctor. Here is your noun right here. Doctor. Doctor is present, so you must use c'est, because the focus isn't necessarily of rich. The noun is docteur. Let's take another look. Jeune, young. Nous jeunes, we're young. We are young. You would not say nous c'est jeune. Nous c'est jeune. No way, Jose. You would not say that. If you want to elongate the sentence, you could say nous, I put moi there, but moi or nous, c'est jeune haïtien. If you want to say nous, you would say nous c'est jeune haïtien. If you want to say I, moi c'est yon jeune haïtien. I am a young Haitian. Moi c'est yon jeune haïtien. And focus in right here. If you look at the word jeune, the reason why we're pronouncing the N here is because you have two N's. Just like in moi, you do not pronounce this. You just say moi. Here, you would say jeune, jeune. It's just a quick tip on Haitian Creole and our pronunciation. So jeune is young. Moi c'est un jeune haïtien. Nous c'est jeune haïtien. We are young Haitian. I am a young Haitian. So again, let's make sure that we're focusing on the c'est, and when we're using the c'est, I encourage you to keep on practicing. Go ahead and look up literature and see when they're using se and when they are not. Because if it's an adjective or emotion, they will not be using se. Moins content. You wouldn't say moins c'est content. However, we use it when there is a noun present. All right. Thank you so much for listening in. Moins content. I'm happy to have spent this time with you. And nawe pita. See you later.